Hey everybody, so I got this new smoker barrel. This is from Aged and Charred. Now I've done a couple smaller cocktail smokers in the past, but this is the first time I've had like an actual barrel one. And this one was sent over for me to try out. Now this one's pretty cool. It's got an acrylic front, that way you can see inside and see the smoke show. There is a little hole at the top, which is where your little smoke box is gonna go. You're just gonna pop that on. It does come with these 3 little thimbles. You're gonna put your little thimble in there. It comes with these oak chips. You're gonna put the chips in there and then you're just gonna smoke away. I'll show that here in just a moment. Also, there is a tray that will go inside. It's got 4 LED lights on it, and you can trigger it where it will flash, go a couple different things, or you could do a constant. And this is gonna go in there and you'll be able to light up and do a little bit extra for your show. Now you can do 2 to 3 drinks inside of here using this, and you could also do this individually on a cup as well. Now this one actually does come with butane, and it does come with the torch lighter. All right, so let's go ahead and put our tray in. And I do have a couple different drinks. You don't have to use any particular drinks. You can use anything you'd like. I also have Daddy's Sippy Cup, also from Amazon. All right, so we got our drinks in. We got our little smoke box on top. We got our wood chips. Let's go ahead and put some of those in there. Also, you could get other flavors. They got like cherry and stuff. The oak is definitely gonna be better for like a whiskey, in my opinion. But some of those others are pretty good. Then you're just gonna take your torch, give that a good burning here. We should see it smoking up in there, perfect. Go ahead and put your lid on. And go ahead and let it smoke for a few minutes. All right, and once ready, we can go ahead and remove. All right, so like I said, I've done the little smokers. I've done like just the glass tops that go on there. I have a couple of those actually. Now this is really cool. I love the idea of the barrel. It's just like a showpiece. You got friends over for cocktails and stuff. This is pretty fun to do. This also makes a really cool Father's Day gift. Anyway, this is the Aged and Charred smoke barrel. If you've never had a smoked cocktail, I definitely say give it a try.